All right, boys and girls, here we are with day 11 of May Daily Math, number 1. Here we go. It says, fill in a fraction to make this true. So we have 1/2, and it says is less than something. Well, what is a half less than? Well, it's less than a whole, right? Anything over the half point. So let's just make let's say 6 on the bottom for fun. So half of 6 would be 3. So it cannot be 3/6. 3/6 would be equal to a half, but we could do 4/6, 5/6, or 6/6. We can really do just about any of those, okay? Let's look over here at number 2. A newborn kitten weighs about 100 kilograms, 100 grams, or 1 gram. Now, we had to make an estimate just a little bit ago yesterday, on the weight of a newborn foal. So, we said a newborn foal weighed about 50 kilograms, okay? 50 grams would be way too small for that. So, we have to guess now 1 gram, 100 grams, or 100 kilograms. 100 kilograms is way too big for a newborn kitten. So we are going to choose 100 grams. Okay, they are pretty tiny. All right, number 3. It's asking us to, clock 1 shows the start time. And to me, that clock shows 12. Let me put my clock here. 12, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, so there we are, 12:25. So the first time on there, okay, and it says, draw hands on clock 2 to show what time it will be in 30 minutes. And then it says write the times for both. So we got to count 30 minutes from here, so we're going to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, so you're going to have one hand almost, the hour hand is going to almost be at the 1. The minute hand is going to point right out there at 55. And our time is going to be 12:55. Leave that up there for a moment for you. Bam, all right. Next, number 4. What fraction is 1/3 less than 1 whole? So let's look at that. 1 whole. And we're talking in thirds. So 1 whole is 3/3, right? That equals 1 whole. And we want to know what is 1/3 less than a whole. Well, what's 3 minus 1? So 3 minus 1/3 equals 2/3. Okay? So what fraction is 1/3 less than 1 whole? It's 2/3. Okay? All right. Number 5. The horse barn has 4 sides. The barn has 14 windows on the front, 16 windows on the back, and 8 windows on each side. How many windows are there in all? Now, there's a reason I put these two together, because 6 and 4 have a good relationship. 6 and 4 make a 10, right? And there we go with 30. 8 and 8 is 16. So now we're going to add them this way. 30 plus 16 is 46. Windows, and windows is already there. All right, thank you, boys and girls. There we go. That is day 11. See you tomorrow.